we have the very inspirational Rubaba Dola with us. So আপু আপনাকে আমি কিছু কোয়েশ্চেন করব ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেন হচ্ছে গিয়ে হোয়াট ইজ দ্য বিগেস্ট রিস্ক দ্যাট ইউ হ্যাভ টেকেন ইন ইয়োর লাইফ
The biggest risk that I had taken after 17 years of being in the corporate world is to become an entrepreneur. So that has been my biggest risk because, leaving behind a good corporate job and putting all the risks and everything in one particular cause, that has been my greatest risk, and I'm really happy that I took that step.
So, as a woman, we have faced a lot of challenges in no matter what platform we are in or our work life. What are the greatest challenges that you have faced?
First of all, I think, many a times I've been asked this question about work-life balance. I always say that let's not look at work separate from your life. It's part of your life. It's part of our life's journey, right? So when you put them together, then you'll be able to really see the real thing that, okay, I have to work. I have to also maintain my, family life or whatever, personal life that we have. So you really have to prioritize. You really have to set your priorities right to know that where am I going to focus now? Is it work or is it my family? So if you prioritize, if you set the time accordingly, you need to be very, very structured. So my problems, we all face our problems, right? But I never look at problems. I just think, okay, there's a problem, I have to find a solution. So that's how it has been, and I've always tried to manage it. I wouldn't say I've been able to balance it perfectly. It's always either skewed this way or that way. But once I prioritize, I know exactly what I want to do. So I think that's the most important thing.
Thank you so much for your beautiful words, and thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much.